Hey everyone, I'm Joanna from Up to Date English. In this lesson, we'll practice how to transition to the meeting smoothly so that you can move from informal conversation or small talk to the agenda items. Before we start, let me remind you how the shadowing technique works. This is Sarah from Up to Date English, and this will be you. First, Sarah will speak, and you just have to listen to what she says. Then, you and Sarah speak together at the same time. That's called shadowing. Finally, there's some silence so that you can say the words on your own. And you will do this for each phrase. Are you ready?
Let's get the meeting started. Let's get the meeting started. Now that we have everyone on board, let's dive in. Now that we have everyone on board, let's dive in. Well, it looks like everyone is here, so let's get started. Well, it looks like everyone is here, so let's get started. It looks like everyone is settled and we have a lot to cover today, so let's dive in. It looks like everyone is settled and we have a lot to cover today, so let's dive in. Okay, everyone is accounted for. Let's start the meeting without further delay. Okay, everyone is accounted for. Let's start the meeting without further delay. Let's get the ball rolling. Let's get the ball rolling. Okay, let's get this meeting started, shall we? Okay, let's get this meeting started, shall we? With everyone present, it's time to start the meeting. With everyone present, it's time to start the meeting. With everyone here and ready, let's start the meeting. With everyone here and ready, let's start the meeting. Now that we're all here and ready to go, let's get the meeting underway. Now that we're all here and ready to go, let's get the meeting underway. Now that we're all here, let's begin. Now that we're all here, let's begin. Let's get started, shall we? I think everyone is here. Let's get started, shall we? I think everyone is here. With everyone in attendance, let's begin our meeting. With everyone in attendance, let's begin our meeting. All right, now that we're all present, let's kick off the meeting. All right, now that we're all present, let's kick off the meeting. Now that we have a full house, let's jump right into the agenda. Now that we have a full house, let's jump right into the agenda.
Thank you for joining me in this lesson.